This is the kidney. The adrenal gland is right here. The ureter leads down. It's better on this side. It's right here. It leads from the kidney down to the bladder. This is the bladder, big guy. Then the stomach is all the way up here.
Because we did just have one because everything was screwed up. Alright, so.
Okay, so the fundus would be right here. The greater curvature and lesser curvature would be in here near the lesser omentum. Okay. The rugae is the inside of it. You can't see it. The pulvoric valve would be at the end of the stomach. And that down there is the pulvoric region, and then the cardiac region is at the top. The spleen is right here.
We just might not be able to see it in here.
The pancreas is connected to the small intestine, the duodenum. Ventral and dorsal. So ventral is anterior, posterior. Ventral it's AV. So yeah. So okay. So this would be ventral, and then that would be dorsal. The small intestine is this part. So duodenum is this, and then we'll just follow it. So the jejunum is like all of this pretty much, and then the ileum is at the end of it. So that'd be this. The ileum would be here, and the ileal valve, ileocecal valve. And then the cecum is the beginning of the large intestine, so that's this. And that's also the ascending colon. And then transverse. Always think it's horizontal. Transverse colon. And then descending would be down in here. And then this is the sigmoid colon down here. It's the end of it. And then you have the rectum, which leads into the rectum, and the anus, which down there. Okay.